Hello everyone, welcome to How to Do It. In this video, we'll see how to install Git in Windows 10. So let's get started. So here I am on the Git website, that is git-smc.com. I'll provide this link in the description. So to download Git, I'll just click on Windows as I am on the Windows OS. Okay, so now the download has started. Now the download is complete, so I'll click on it to open. So I'll click on yes to allow permissions. I'll just close the Chrome browser as it is no longer needed. And then I'll click on next. Then I'll click on next again as this is the default location and I don't want to change that. Then I'll click on the desktop to add a desktop icon and then click on next. Now I'll leave this as default and click on next. Now I'll select my text editor, that will be Notepad, and then click on next. Now I'll leave this to default and click next. Now I'll leave this as default as well and click on next. Then I'll click on next again. Now I'll click on next. Then we will just use the default as min_tty and then click on next. Then we will use the default settings here and then click on next. Then we'll use the Git credentials manager and then click on next. We'll leave this as default and then click next. Then I'll just press install. Okay, so now the installation is complete. I'll just click on finish. Now if we want to test the Git, we'll just press Windows and R and then type in cmd and press enter. Now it will open the command prompt. Now we'll just type in git --version. So here you can see Git version 2.32.0.windows.1 is installed. So this was all on how to install Git on Windows 10. Hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you.